if you have fallen upon hard financial times and want to get pre-approved for a home loan, here's the best advice I can give you. Look at your credit report and pay everything on time for the last 12 months and figure out when the last late payment that you had is, and then focus on those next 12 months after that. That could be June of 2026, and now you're looking at June of 2027 to be eligible to buy again, because you want to be paying everything on time from, let's say, this month forward, because that's what a underwriter is going to look for in a manual underwrite situation where a credit profile may not be the strongest. And they're also going to be looking for your most recent 24 months of rent. Have you paid your rent on time? What does that number look like per month? And are you paying your bills on time? That's what they're going to look for. Another thing that lenders like to see is reserve funds. What I mean by that is how much money do you have left over in the bank, or your TSP, or stocks and bonds, crypto, like whatever you have. How much is in there after you're going to pay the closing costs? That's super, super helpful in a situation like this, because the more reserves you have, the better chance you're going to pay the mortgage, because you're going to have the money, right? That's just common sense right there. So pay everything on time. Figure out when that last late payment was. Don't worry about necessarily paying off collections and charge-offs. Worry about paying the monthly payments that you have, and then figure out, is there a way that you can increase your disposable income, like paying off a credit card? Because any monthly payment that you have will, if you can remove that, then it's going to help your situation by increasing your disposable income. So if you have a smaller balance and you can pay it off, awesome. That increases your monthly disposable income according to how underwriting looks at your mortgage loan, or any loan officer for that matter, really. So disposable income, assets, pay everything on time, and you're going to be in good shape to use your VA home loan benefit. And don't let anyone tell you about what minimum credit score that they have. If they tell you it's 600 or 620, 640, 580, the VA has no minimum credit score, and there are lenders out there who will help people out if you pay all your stuff on time and can prove that you're going to be a good client moving forward because you have a history of all those things. So just want to help people out here. If you want to ask me about your financial situation, DM me. If you want to comment below, I don't care if you're buying in Maryland or Virginia or wherever. I'm happy to help out people because that's just what I like to do. That's the best financial advice I can give you. If you come upon hard times, just try to pay everything on time, even if it's a slow pay, not necessarily 30 days late. Maybe the bill is due on the 1st, but you don't pay it till the 21st, or whatever the case may be. That's fine. Just avoid those 30-day lates. Those are the ones that are going to ding your credit and hurt your credit score. So credit payment history, of course, too. So anyway, I'm rambling. My name is Jason Herder from Navigator Mortgage Brokers. If you need any help, hit me up. Have a good day.